Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at Australian dollar. But just right before that, I just want to pull out there that Aussie dollar and Aussie CAD in terms of the trading strategies I'm going to share is very similar. So it took me some time to filter the one that have a better learning opportunity and film it for you. So if you do have the right knowledge and right application and know the rules of the trading setup I'm going to share with you, have a look on Aussie CAD, then you have double the opportunity. If you don't have and you're interested to find out more, well, lot of better words some of my trainer friends love to say, don't be a cheap Charlie, correct? Try to figure out yourself, then end up you burn your account for no apparent reason. Alright, either you don't try to be too adventurous or drop me a note. We'll schedule a call and to see if you're a good fit before I accept you, because over here we do check whether you are ready to be our students before we accept you, correct? Because with that, then those that we accept have a higher success rate. Does it make sense to you? Alright, so on the daily chart, let's see over here, what you can see is a bearish movement. Market retest on the previous support level and it stood still. Overall, it can look bearish, or through your emotion and through how you look at the chart, you might see that bearish movement is going to continue. That is your perspective, correct? Your perception. But what's important is the fact that the market didn't break and close below the low price. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. This long shadow at the bottom give you a hint that the market is trying to reverse or trying to go bullish. Well, will we go a strong bullish trend? We don't know, because we have to see if the market respects 0.6526 or if the market managed to break and close above 0.6546 level. Then we are able to say, hey, we could have a bullish trend. Yes? Alright, if not, then we just have to look for confirmation, because sometimes you can see you just go lower and keep on continuing, and it can be quite irritating. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. If you know candlesticks analysis, you should be able to know that this is a prolonged extended support level. Alright, over here having each candle like what I've just described, just giving you a lower candle wick and whatsoever you want to say, correct? So with this formation, I am kind of more into buying Australian dollar than Aussie CAD if I get to only choose one. But as a trader, if both trading setup fulfilled, why choose one when I can have both, correct? Because one can end up profit, one can end up hitting losses, even with a similar formation. Or I could have one that hit the profit earlier and the other one move slower, which can give me a double up, correct? Because the first one that hit the first target profit, I can shift stops to entry, and the second one still running with maybe minimum loss, I can minimize it and stuff like that. But definitely, if I choose to buy for whatever reason, the first level I have to look very closely at 0.6384. Once it reaches those levels, I will see if a break and close above happens, because whichever strategy I use, structure is the key. I repeat, structure is the key. So once it reaches the structure, you have to see whether the market respects it. If it respects it, and if you are trading against the structure, then two things you can do: either shift stops to entry or exit the trade and don't look at it. Because if you look at it, the market continue to go in your favor, you'll go crazy. Make sense? Alright, so let's head back to our daily chart and I'll review my trading analysis. And if I have not mentioned this, scan this QR code, will bring you to our Telegram channel where you get to interact and share your trading analysis with others. As you can see, this feed is provided by IDC. If you know about IDC, it's not a broker. Some of my feeds I'm still using FXCM, because it's just because I don't trade with them. It's just because their feeds are closest to my live account, and that's what matters. And for whatever reason, the broker that I'm trading with is not here. Okay, so even if it is, I won't tell you who, correct? Because we are not promoting any brokers. We are independent forex educator. Anyway, Back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Nothing much on the daily, to be honest. 4-hour chart, nothing much as well, other than just, this support level. You have to see if it breaks the level. If it doesn't, then a rebound happens. Then at based on 4-hour chart, 0.6526 is the level you have to look at. And 1-hour chart, this is the bullish butterfly pattern that is have a similar setup on Aussie CAD, but if you look closely, both of them are different, and I have a feel based on experience, it's very unlikely for the market to come back down and touch the furthest end 0.6346. If that's okay, then you have to trade in advance of the completion by the textbook case of a bullish butterfly pattern. Knowing butterfly pattern, I know there are a couple of characteristics. I'll watch very closely on this pair. I'll make a decision at about 9 a.m. Singapore time if I will want to engage the trade, which means my entry, stops, and targets will be produced and sent to my students before market open if I am into this. Alright, so give me some time to think about it before I send you those levels, because truth to be told, you have not touched the furthest end of the PRZ. And as a trader myself, it can get on my nerve in that case, but sometimes we can have special conditions. But if you are students, try not to use too much of these special conditions, because you will just break too much rules. I'm doing this because I know this pair for many years, 17 years, close to maybe about 15. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you. If you're looking to buy Aussie dollar based on bullish butterfly, it has to be based on your own decision. Yeah, because this ride might not be pretty. We have the first resistance level we have to look at, then after that over here as well, so it's not that pretty. Only after when you able to break and close above 0.6432, then you ride to your second target. Might be a smoother ride towards that, but before that, the initial process of trading this is quite headache. That's why I will still have to sit on it and think if this is a good trade for me to send out to my students, share with them my entry, stops, and targets. So if you find this valuable and you find that this is something, even you're watching it free, although if you are not our students, you receive this maybe on Friday, but it is still valuable, correct? If you focus on the education content and you find that this could be a help to you, if you find that if you receive this before market open, it can be a help to you. If you find that, well, if you know my entry, stops, and targets and my thought process can be helpful to you, drop me a note. We'll arrange a call, and if it's all good, we'll welcome you with open arms. If not, then you get things done, get things ready, and we can have that call again before we accept you as our students. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you very soon in our community. Till then, remember always, play your trade and trade play. Take care.